I'm Johnny ORBP from HM504P, and I would like to discuss about the ROP and EOQ. So here are the learning outcomes. First, we need to compute the appropriate reorder points or ROP to consider the demand during the lead time and safety step. And second, we need to analyze inventory management problem and select the suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain effectively. And lastly, we need to interpret the result of EOQ and ROP to calculate to make informed decisions about ordering schedules and stock level. What is reorder point? The reorder point or ROP is the inventory levels at which a new order must be placed to replenish stocks before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operations and preventing stockouts. So here are the formula. Reorder point or ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock, where is usage how many stocks will use and lead time how long it will arrive or deliver. And lastly, the safety stocks, extra inventory keep to cover unexpected demands or delay.
So here are the example. If the company expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine and the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days, when will the company place the order? ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stocks. So we're going to substitute this and multiply 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4. So the answer of this is 600 and 400. So the total bottles of wine we have is 1,000. So our ROP is 1,000 bottles of wine.
So what is economic order quantity? The economic order quantity or EOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding the stocks.
Here are the formula of EOQ, where O is the cost of placing an order or ordering cost, and N is the number of units requiring annually. And lastly, C, annual carrying costs per unit per inventory. Here are the example of EOQ. So we need to substitute and multiply 2 times 10 times 10,000 divided by 0.80 pesos. The answer is 250,000 and we will going to square root that, so the answer is 500 jars. Next, number of order per years or NO, where N is 10,000 jars and EOQ is 500 jars. So we're going to divide that. So our NO is 20 orders. Next, total ordering cost per years or TOC, where NO is 20 orders and OC is 10 pesos. And multiply that, so our total ordering cost is 200 orders. Next is the average inventory or EI, where EOQ is 500 jars divided by into 2. The average inventory is 250 jars. Next is total carrying cost per year or TCC, where average inventory is 250 and carrying cost is 0.80. So we need to multiply this, so the total of carrying cost per year is 200 pesos. So lastly is total cost or TC, where TOC is 200 pesos and TCC is 200 pesos. So we need to add this, so the total cost is 400 pesos. That's all. Thank you.